We begin tonight with the stock market plunging after President Trump said he would not rule out the possibility of a recession. The uncertainty rattling investors, rattling Americans from Wall Street to Main Street, already on edge over the president's on-again, off-again tariffs with Mexico, Canada, and China, with other countries on his tariff list beginning April 2nd. Today, the Dow plunging nearly 900 points, down more than 2% today. The Dow now down 4% since President Trump was elected. The tech-heavy NASDAQ index falling 4% just today, its worst one-day plunge in nearly 3 years now, losing about $1 trillion in value. The president has said we're in a period of transition and that it, quote, takes a little time. He has warned his moves could bring temporary disruption. It certainly has brought confusion and now real concern on Wall Street. ABC's chief White House correspondent Mary Bruce leading us off tonight.
President Trump today out of sight as his words sent the stock market into free fall. Wall Street suffering its worst day of the year, the Dow closing nearly 900 points down after the president refused to rule out that the U.S. could be heading into a recession.
Are you expecting a recession this year?
I hate to predict things like that. There is a period of transition because what we're doing is very big. We're bringing wealth back to America. That's a big thing. And there are always periods of, it takes a little time. It takes a little time. But I think it should be great for us.
His team sent a different message. The Commerce Secretary insisting no way is a recession on the horizon.
Should Americans brace for a recession?
Absolutely not. There's going to be no recession in America.
But just hours later, when asked again, that's not what the president said.
Are you worried about a recession? Maria Bartiromo asked you and you kind of hesitated.
I'll tell you what, of course you hesitate. Who knows?
It comes as the president has launched a trade war with our closest trading partners, Mexico and Canada, imposing stiff tariffs and threatening more to come. Economists warn American companies will pay those tariffs and pass the costs onto consumers by raising prices.
If the U.S. imposes tariffs to the degree that the president has been talking about and maintains them for more than a few months, I think a recession will be unavoidable.
Wednesday, Trump's tariffs on steel and aluminum coming into the country are set to go into effect, which could mean that by Memorial Day, Americans will be paying more for everything from washing machines and toasters to canned goods and cars. It comes after weeks of whiplash, Trump announcing tariffs, then pausing them, then threatening even more.
The president's been talking about tariffs. They're on again, they're off again. It's unclear which countries, which products, which companies for how long. That's something that businesses just can't grapple with.
We're hearing it from small business owners like Brian Boggs, who makes custom furniture in Asheville, North Carolina.
You know, we're all used to uncertainty, but this is a mess.
And tonight, the roller coaster ride isn't over. Canada's new Prime Minister, Mark Carney, making it clear that in this trade war, he's ready to match Trump blow for blow.
We didn't ask for this fight, but Canadians are always ready when someone else drops the gloves. So the Americans, they should make no mistake, in trade as in hockey, Canada will win.
Now, again, no comment from the president tonight. Last week, Trump, who famously watches the markets, claimed he isn't even paying attention to Wall Street. One person likely with an eye on stocks, though, Elon Musk. Tesla stock down over 41% so far this year, over 14% just today. Asked tonight if getting into government was worth the backlash to his business, Musk saying, quote, "It's tough sledding, but I think we're doing the right thing here." David.
Mary Bruce leading us off again this week from the White House. Mary, thank you.